Hi, this is my final project for Physics 105. This is the Rube Goldberg machine that I drew out. I will first explain what is actually happening throughout the machine, and then I will go through the physics concept of it. So first it starts with a ball that goes down the ramp. This ball is filled with um, like a powder that's similar to sand that will flavor the water that's at the bottom. So this ball, it is bouncy. It will roll down this ramp, go to a cutout that is the same size as it, and it will go down the chute. The ball will then drop down the chute, go into the cup that's on the fan. The fan will rotate, and this ball will hit the dominoes. This ball, since this is a bouncy ball, the bouncy ball will bounce off of the domino. Dominoes will then fall, and the ball on this side that is also filled with the same substance is going to fall and hit base one. The ball will then bounce off and go to base two, and then the ball will then bounce off of base two and go to this base along the wall. It will then roll down this base into a vacuum suction tube, and this vacuum suction tube will take the ball, spit it out. The ball will hit the wall and drop down into a slide tube, tunnel type of situation. Um, As it falls into the slide, it continues to go downwards until it is out of the tube. Once it's out of the tube, it will go into the air, it will bounce on the floor, and then it will then bounce off the floor into the cup of water. So first, I'm going to start with the ball rolling down the ramp. The ball starts rolling, which shows potential kinetic energy, which is the conservation of energy. So rolling without slipping. The gravitational energy will become kinetic energy during this point. So with knowing that this is the conservation of energy, I wrote down three equations that go along with this physics concept. As the ball rolls down and goes down the chutes into the cup on the fan then turns the ball bounces off the domino and on to wherever it goes. So this motion right here um, shows elastic collision, which is the conservation of momentum, which shows that the kinetic energy is being conserved due to as the ball does hit the domino, it also bounces off of the domino. And then after that, the dominoes fall. So after the dominoes fall, the ball bounces block one, then to block two, and then it bounces off block two, and then it goes down a board. This board would be bigger in real life, of course. Everything would be a lot longer than it is presented on the paper. So here would be the ball would show rolling without slipping, which would be rotational and translational velocity. And with that, I showed a equation for the rotational and translational velocity because of the ball rolling down the ramp, similar to up here, but also. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.